Welcome to Global Gift TV. Today's video I'll be showing you on how to make at least $10 daily every day, guys. It's simple and easy. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can also take part in this opportunity, guys. Now we make sure I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can also register your account and make money from this platform, guys. What we're talking about today is called Global Cloud Shop. Okay, this platform can pay you $10 and more depending on how you are willing to invest in this platform. I'm not a financial advisor, but this platform has paid me. If you can also start making money in this platform, guys. To earn in this platform, to register in this platform is very easy. You are going to register with your email, your username, and some beautiful stuff which you are going to do in this to register your account. And this is how your dashboard is going to look like. After you are done with that, okay, first thing you are going to do is to come to this your browser here. You have different type of miner which you can go for, guys. The first one, which is the one of $10. This $10, they have the one of 10. If you have $10, you can also join this platform, guys. The one of $10 you can join. You buy the first one, which is $10 mining machine, okay, and you'll be earning profit of $16, and every 6 hours you'll be coming here to make and start this machine. Okay, I'm going to show you the full details about it. Okay, the second one, which is the Bitcoin miner 19, which is minimum is $19, which you can also join. Okay, and they have the one of $15, which you have to deposit a minimum of $15, which you can register. Okay, have $15, you can also join this platform, and you have to start your investment every 24 hours. You have to start it every 24 hours, and for the next 20 days you'll be earning at least $30 with your money, guys. And the third one, which is the $30, which will be giving you $1.2 every day, guys. Give you $1.2 every day, and for achievement of 30 days, 35 days, for 45 days you'll be making a lot from this platform, guys. And they have the one of $260, okay, which is $11 daily for 200 days, and they have one of $400 and more, okay. The last one which I have is $1,200, which you can also rent from them. You can also rent from them, right? After you have registered your account, next thing to do is to come here to your home browser here. Come here, you click on this recharge button, and you can recharge your account. The minimum, remember, the minimum investment to deposit is $10. Okay, you copy the address here and make the payment, and automatically reflect in your account, guys. Reflect in your account, and you can only deposit through TRC20 USDT, guys. Let's go to any of your crypto browser to deposit in this platform, guys. So you are done with your deposit, just go straight here to this here. Come here and buy any of the miner. Let's say you deposit one of $80. You come here, you see buy now. See, you just have to click on this confirm purchase. Okay, confirm purchase. After you have buy the miner which you are willing to buy, you come to this where you see my miner here. Where you see my miner, you have to be claiming your miner every 24 hours and start it. Okay, you have to start your miner every 24 hours so that you can earn, guys. Please notice that and make sure you set your time for 24 hours. Come to this platform and start it, and you'll be making lots for yourself, guys. And I've explained this already for other miners 24 hours, except the one of $10, which is 6 hours, which you have to be mining, and you have to be there every 6 hours so that you can earn, guys. And they also have some rewards which you can also earn. They have the one iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is they are selling already. If you want to buy, you can also contact them and buy it from them. Okay, and they have rewards for every members you bring to this platform. Okay, you have many rewards. If you any 10% commission for any referrals you refer to this platform, which is super easy and it is good to earn from it, guys. And they have a weekly salary for anything with that which you want to make money fast in this platform, guys. See, there are lots of people here which have been making money already. Can also join them and start making money from this platform, guys. Make sure you copy your referral link and be one of these who is going to be getting weekly salary when you are building your team, guys. Next thing to come here is you come to this side where you see withdraw. Okay, you're going to set your withdrawal address and your payment so that you can withdraw. Okay, set your withdrawal address and lots more if you want to withdraw. And remember, the minimum withdrawal is 10. The minimum withdrawal is $2, and it's $2 which you can withdraw. Can remember, you will getting the charge fee of $1 per each withdrawal you make, guys. Make sure you take that as a notice for yourself. You can also join their community through their Telegram group, and you can also make a lot for yourself, guys. And coming to my dashboard back here now, they are also giving $2 for free. So I'm going to do is that I'm going to post their platform, you're going to post it, and you'll be getting paid. Okay, first thing to do is to download this. After downloading it, you copy your own profile, you copy it. After copying it, you can send it, you can share it to your Facebook, WhatsApp group, Twitter, Telegram group, and screenshot it and upload it here. You'll be getting the instantly of $2 from this one, guys. If you have more things about the platform, I will be dropping it more later. Okay, make sure you join the platform and also make money for yourself, guys.